For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I have got some news for you from the Royal Challengers Bangalore unit. Yes, the RCB unit is in Dubai and my focus for today will be the Bangalore boy, Devdutt Padikkal. Well, RCB head coach Simon Katich has come out and stated that Devdutt Padikkal has a very bright future ahead of him and he is likely to start in the RCB playing 11 right from game 1. That means you can see Devdutt Padikkal in action right from the start of the tournament. But how is it that Devdutt Padikkal first made it to RCB and then the amount of runs which he has scored in the domestic cricket that has helped him to earn a spot in the RCB playing 11? So, for the record, Devdutt Padikkal was backed by RCB in 2019, but then due to form and also you can say with no place in the packed middle order which the RCB has with the likes of Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers and others, he was just not able to make his debut for the Red Army. But now in 2020, Simon Katich has come out with a huge statement that you can expect Devdutt Padikkal to start off. Talking about form, well, he has been in some incredible run spree of late. In the Vijay Hazare Trophy, he scored over 500 runs from just 12 matches. And when it comes to the Syed Mushtaq Ali T20 tournament, well, the numbers are just extraordinary. But his most important feature is the strike rate, which stood at over 175. He also scored few hundreds on the way in Vijay Hazare Trophy as well. But then the kind of form which he displayed has just compelled the RCB head coach to make a statement that here is a boy that needs to play in the 11 to make sure that RCB is on the track to win their maiden IPL title. Remember, the also factor which goes in Devdutt's favor is that he is the left-hander. Remember, you have the likes of Virat Kohli, you have the likes of AB de Villiers, Chris Morris and others, all who are right-handed. But then a left-hander brings in that elegance and that style. And also, Padikkal is someone who can score quickly and at the same time stay at the wicket when the wickets are falling around him. But the maturity which he has shown at just 20 is just mind-boggling. And the most important fact out of this all is that he can play the role of a finisher for the Royal Challengers Bangalore, a role which the RCB unit has been struggling with over the years. But now you can expect Devdutt Padikkal either to bat at number 4 or somewhere between number 4 and number 6 in the upcoming IPL. So clearly the opportunity is front of the youngster. RCB unit, like I said, is in the UAE. They are under quarantine and they will also play some practice games. And Katich believes that if Devdutt Padikkal shows the same kind of form which he has in the past couple of seasons for Karnataka and for the other T20 tournaments, then he's all likely to be handed that RCB cap, which is the dream for any youngster at this point of time. So, what do you think about the video? Do you think that Devdutt Padikkal deserves to be in the playing 11? Because there has been regular tweets have been sent in on RCB handle that Devdutt needs to be in the playing 11. Also, the kind of form he is in, they say make the best use of the player when he is in the form of his life. And Devdutt is just doing that at the moment. He has not just knocked on the doors, he has literally taken it down. So, should RCB include Devdutt Padikkal in the 11 or should he make them wait? That remains to be seen. But do send in your comments and feedback. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News9 Digital across all social media platforms.